Hey guys, so we have discussed about the apoptosis and necrosis in previous video. We have discussed the differences and little overview about the necrosis and apoptosis. So in this video we will go in further detail the mechanism of apoptosis. So in apoptosis the cell die due to natural cause or it is programmed cell death. These programming or there is signaling in the body that okay, this cell must be died. It may be due to any external reason or intrinsic or cellular reason. In extrinsic reason, like there may be release of inflammatory product or any kind of signaling molecule which triggers the process which causes cell death. So it may be example as interleukin 1 or tumor necrotic factor alpha. So such on the surface of the mitochondria, these molecules activates the pores. They causes pores of the membrane of the mitochondria. So mitochondrial membrane becomes leaky. These proteins or these molecules can also be activated by intracellular stresses like DNA signaling. Due to activation of P53. P53 is, as we know, that it prevents the cancer. It prevents the division of the cell when it detects the abnormality in the DNA. So it is also a beneficial process that it controls the division of the cell and it makes cell to die. So when the P53 is activated, it activates these signaling molecules like BAX, BCL2, BAK. These molecule causes the pores in the mitochondria. Now, once mitochondrial membrane gets perforation, the inside molecules, that is cytochrome C. As we know that cytochrome C is involved in
electron transport chain.
oxidative reactions. It is involved in the as we know that cytochrome C is involved in the oxidative phosphorylation and produces energy. So when cytochrome C is expelled out of the mitochondria, this cytochrome C activates procapsase 8 and APAF1. These both these are called as apoptosome and they produces a molecule. This molecule it is produced by C9, that is capsase 9. This molecule along with C3 initiates degradation of these microfilaments. Now these microfilaments are actually structural pillars of the cell. These are intermediate filaments, actin filaments and microtubules. So these are like the So these cytoskeletal filaments like intermediate filaments, actin fibers, or microtubules, they provide the structural integrity to the cell structure as well as cell membrane. When these are get destroyed by C3 and C9, that is capsase 9 and capsase 3, the cell becomes blebby. That is, there are many blebs in the cell. These are the characteristic of apoptosis, that the membrane integrity is maintained but there are blebs in the apoptosis. So this is the molecular mechanism of how apoptosis occurs. In next video we will discuss about the molecular mechanism of the necrosis. Thank you.